Welcome back, motorcycles enthusiast. Welcome to Go's Moto channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of adventure with the 2024 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro. This beast is ready to conquer any terrain with style and grace. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this machine tick. The 2024 1200 GT Pro comes with a sublime road handling and incredible comfort. The GT Pro is the new benchmark in road-focused adventure motorcycling. First up, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2024 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro, powered by a liquid-cooled, 12-valve, DOHC, inline 3-cylinder engine with a displacement of 1,160 cubic centimeters. With a bore of 90.0 mm and a stroke of 60.7 mm, this engine delivers a compression ratio of 13.2 to 1. When you twist that throttle, you'll unleash a whopping 150 PS or 148 horsepower at 9,000 RPM, with a peak torque of 130 Nm at 7,000 RPM. This machine means business, folks. The Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro boasts a stainless steel exhaust system that not only sounds amazing but also optimizes performance. When it comes to transmission, the bike is equipped with a smooth shifting 6-speed gearbox, coupled with a hydraulic, wet, multi-plate clutch that offers slip and assist functionality. Whether you're tearing up the highways or tackling off-road trails, this setup ensures maximum control and responsiveness. The Tiger 1200 GT Pro features a tubular steel frame with forged aluminum outriggers, providing a perfect balance of strength and agility. With a twin-sided tri-link aluminum swing arm and Showa suspension system, this bike offers superb handling and stability, no matter the terrain. In the stopping power, the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro doesn't disappoint. Equipped with Brembo brakes and advanced ABS, including a rear master cylinder with remote reservoir, you can trust that you'll come to a stop safely and efficiently, every time. Aluminum wheels, sized at 19 inches in the front and 18 inches in the rear, wrapped in Metzeler Tourance tires, this machine is ready to tackle any road condition with confidence. The Tiger 1200 GT Pro comes also with a full-color 7-inch TFT instrument pack, complete with Triumph's connectivity system. Stay connected, stay informed, and stay in control, no matter where the road takes you. So there you have it, folks, the 2024 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro. A true testament to Triumph's commitment to innovation, performance, and adventure. Whether you're carving up twisty roads or blazing trails off the beaten path, this bike is ready to take you on the ride of a lifetime. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.